Hey everyone, it's Todd Bookspan, and this is 2 Minutes with Todd for the week of August 29th, 2011. I hope your week is off to a great start. You gotta have to look at the pictures down below. I was fortunate enough to be able to run a crazy event called the Hood to Coast. It's a 200-mile relay race from Mount Hood in Oregon down to the seaside. So you run basically downhill and through the town. It was crazy. What a wonderful bunch of people, 18,000 plus runners. I was totally inspired. I saw a blind runner being led along by someone else, and it was amazing. There's pictures below, and something I would certainly encourage you to check out. Many of you are new to this, receiving it for the first time. I say welcome. This is our weekly email we send out with what's going on in the marketplace, things you need to know. Really, the big thing I want to talk about this week is the fact that the FHA loan limits are most likely changing in a month. So we're 1 month away from the limit, really in the majority of Arizona, to be going down to $271,050. So it's a big change from the $346,250 we're at. If you've got clients out shopping above that, it'd be important to let them know, hey, put an offer in quickly. We'll take most of those people, switch them over to conventional loans with 3 to 5% down. You can't actually do a 3% down conventional loan with mortgage insurance, but you have to have a higher credit score, and you have to have you'll have risk-based pricing if they've got a credit score below 740. So keep that in mind. Interest rates still smoking. According to Freddie Mac last week, we were at 4.22% with 0.7 in points and fees for the 30-year fixed rate. 15s remain below 3.5%, with about 0.6 in points and fees. So really good. Got notes down below on how you know if you should refinance now. Big news last week was really Ben Bernanke speaking about what's going on in the economy. He speaks every year, and Jackson Hole last year, that's where he announced some of his quantitative easing QE2, and that's when the market, actually rates got higher. And this year really didn't say much. He said that he's aware the economy stinks and that they'll look at their tools in their toolkit when they get to their September meeting. So it was really his way of putting everybody off. But bottom line is that we know that things to get a little bit better. This week, we know first Friday of every month is a jobs report. We know that's going to be a big number. They're looking for 75,000 new jobs added. So it'll be interesting to see. I think that'll really drive rates. If it comes in worse than that, then I think we'll see rates improve. If we actually see rates, we see a number that's better than that, it'll actually hurt interest rates. So we'll keep you posted from there. My next big running event is the New York Marathon. I've got a thing down below. Would love if you could click there and donate $1 per mile. Not a whole lot, $26.20 to help Todd and I. We're trying to raise $13,000 for an amazing cause, the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. And certainly if you can afford more, we'd love that as well. Thanks. Hope you have a